Hello and welcome to N2O Audio's video tutorial on the Renault Clio. Firstly, you'll need your Renault keys. These could be purchased from eBay for a couple of quid. What you want to do is put one in one side, one in the other, push outwards and then towards you. Come out like that. That'll be your aerial leads. That's quite short anyway on the Renault Clios. Pull one plug out. The little tabs on the sides, pull the other, pop that in the back for when you come to sell the car. Now what you want to do is get your new security cage, push it inside the gap, make sure you push all the tabs, 2 on the sides, 2 on the bottom. This keeps the stereo from the car thief nicking it. Right. With this one we need an aerial adapter. This can also be purchased from eBay for a couple of quid. Push this on the aerial like so. Grab your stereo wires. These come free with the stereo. Now these only go one way as well, so all you do is clip them in like so. On the Renault Clio there's a lot of space on the left hand side, so try and grab most of your wires onto the left hand side, so it makes it easier for when you push the stereo in. And what you want to do is get your new stereo, plug it in like so, plug the aerial in into the back and push the stereo back. Before you do is you want to make sure that it all works, so put your fascia plate in, turn the car on, make sure it all fires up, so this one is all working, yep, turn it off. It's easier to push the stereo back in when you take the fascia plate off. Push back until you clicks. That's it. Thank you very much for listening.